Okay, so I have HTC phones here, and basically you have an issue with your HTC. It basically won't boot up or it won't turn on. No problem, okay? Because a lot of these HTC phones now, I'm starting to run into more of these. They have the same issue. And don't think that the HTC phones are bad, guys, because you have issues with all phone manufacturers, even Sony, LG, all the Samsungs. With the Samsungs, it's not that you're able to turn it on, but what happens, you'll have like a boot loop. I had many Samsung phones have the constant boot loop, and even the iPhone, you have issues where you'll have the Apple logo like stuck on there, and you can't do like anything. Well, to resolve like all these phone issues, most of the time it requires just pressing a certain combination of hard keys on your phone. So why don't we go ahead and get started on this? Okay. So first thing I want you guys to do, and this, most of you are going to have your phone up and running. Okay, by the time this video is over. So first thing is first, what you want to do is get a wall adapter. And you want to plug it into your wall and plug this part into your phone. Okay, now if you don't have a wall adapter right now, don't worry about it. Just follow the steps, every single step that I do here. And if all the steps don't work, then wait till you get like a wall adapter where you're actually able to plug it into the wall. This way you can get the correct voltage. Okay, but still, for most of you, you're not even going to need that. Okay, so what you want to do is plug it in. Make sure it's plugged in. Okay, so the first thing is this. What you want to do is you want to press and hold down the power button for at least 30 seconds, okay? And hopefully your phone will be up and running. If it's not, we'll go to step number 2. Step number 2 is this. You want to hold the volume up rocker and the power button, press and hold it down simultaneously, and hold it down for at least 30 seconds or until your phone boots up, okay? Now, if your phone still doesn't boot up, what you want to do is the third option, which would be instead of pressing the volume up rocker, you want to press and hold down the volume down rocker and the power button and hold them both down for at least 30 seconds until your phone boots up. If it doesn't, then we're going to go to the last option, okay? And what you do is you want to hold down 3 buttons this time. You want to hold down the volume up, the volume down, and you want to press and hold the power button. So all 3 buttons you want to hold down simultaneously at least for 30 seconds or until your phone boots up. Okay, now if none of these methods work, then I would suggest to do it a few more times, okay? Because a lot of these phones, like I always say, 3rd time's a charm. This one here took me three tries on this one. I finally got this one up, and this will happen on numerous phones. The first time you do it doesn't work, so try it at least a few times and keep trying it if you have to. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions or anything, just comment below. If you guys subscribe, share, like, that'd be awesome. Thanks and have a good day.